pressure on me, make me lose the part of me I don't need.
Hey family, welcome or welcome back. So today's video is a quick video about the products that I've been loving. First, we're going to talk about hair products, then we're going to talk about skincare, and then makeup. So if you're interested, then please stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. I am Patrice. It'd be great if you hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. We are all about positive vibes, self-love, and all of that. So I hope you're having a wonderful and blessed day. Keep that smile on your face because you look beautiful and you just deserve to smile each and every day. So let's get into the video and let's get started. So the first thing we're going to talk about is hair. I've been really loving this organic castor oil. I have used Jamaican black castor oil. This oil is not the exact same. The Jamaican black castor oil is totally different. The smell is different. The consistency is a little different. Jamaican black castor oil is much thicker, and this one is thick as well, but I like this because the smell is very light. It doesn't really have too much of a smell, and I like to use it in my shampoo, and I like to DIY my shampoo. So I will leave a link on this video of my DIY if you're interested. So this is actually really great for your eyelashes, your brows, and your hair. I like to apply this to my edges, and actually there are some parts of my hair it kind of looked like it was thinning in a way because my hair is really thick, but due to me knowing how thick my hair is, I kind of felt like some areas of my hair was somewhat thinning in a way. So I applied a bit of this oil to my scalp, which I wouldn't recommend for you to completely like saturate your hair with this oil because it can clog your pores, it can clog your follicles. So you want to be careful on how much you put on your scalp, especially if you have locks. So this oil here is 100% pure. It has no additives, no chemical. It's vegan and cruelty free. I really love it because it just does what it's supposed to do, and it just provides that strength, that growth, and it just makes your hair restore back what it lost. This itself is not a product, but it does have something in it, which is distilled water and peppermint oil. I actually use this on a regular basis in my hair care routine. I just put peppermint oil in here, probably about like 6 drops of peppermint oil, and then the rest water. And I really love the feeling of peppermint oil on my scalp and the tingliness. And peppermint oil is great for so many things, so definitely research about essential oils and which ones to use. Like every oil is different and they have different properties. I've made a video on how you can basically distinguish essential oils and carrier oils. Usually, like if you are mixing essential oil like peppermint oil, you want to dilute it with a carrier oil, which I've made a whole video on that. So if you're interested in that, then definitely refer to that. I will leave a link in the description bar and on this video. But this is definitely something that I've been, loving, and it just hydrates my hair, and I love the smell of peppermint. So yeah. Now onto the oil that I use on a regular basis. I use the Wild Growth Light Oil Moisturizer. I've been talking about this oil forever. I've been using this oil for 6 entire years, so I can definitely tell you some things about it, and I love it. I love it for hair growth, for hair strength, for everything, because this is an oil that I actually been using for such a long time, and I just can't say enough about it. It's just all natural oils that are great for your hair. I will leave a link down below for all these products, by the way. So this oil in particular has a bunch of different oils in it. A lot of people actually try this oil, and some people do experience itchiness and some people don't. So it just all depends on what your hair likes. Everyone's hair is not the same, so you kind of have to test these products out to see if your hair likes it. Some people just can't agree with certain oils, and you don't know until you try it. So that's all for hair care, but let's go on to skincare. I'm all about butters and like having smooth skin and basically taking care of my body and how my skin feels and moisturization. Like, I like to be moisturized, okay? I don't like to be ashy. I don't like to be dry. So I just like to stay hydrated and moisturized at all times. And I like to smell good. Do you like to smell good? Because it's good to smell good. You want to smell good all the time. This product that I'm going to share with you is the Boom Boom Cream by Sol de Janeiro, and I absolutely love it. Like, I've been using it for a while now, and listen, I'm going to share more info, like close-ups and stuff of the product, but let me tell you, this product right here, boy, this product smells so good. Like, this is a new one. It's just so good. Like, I use it on my body every time I take a shower. Like, after I take a shower, this is what I use, and it lasts for so long, and it's like a lingering smell. This is a smell that like will bring you close to someone, and you know, I get compliments all the time, like, oh my gosh, what are you wearing? You smell so good. And I'm like, it's just lotion. It's just a body cream. This is the bomb, okay? I need you guys to get your hands on this. It is a little pricey. They do have them in Sephora, I believe, but they do have them on the actual website. What is a good gift to get? This is definitely a great gift to get somebody because it smells amazing. This next product is by I Am Organic, and it's a body oil. This is the coconut and green tea oil. Okay, you can see that I've been using this oil, right? And I really love this smell because it's natural for one, and it just smells really nice. Like, coconut oil and green tea is actually a really good mix, and I didn't really think it would be, but it's 100% organic. You know, it just smells really good. So I put this on after I shower, and it just gives me a nice glow onto my skin. It makes my skin nice and soft, and I just apply it all over my body. And you know, it's just an oil that I feel like everyone should have because it does really good for your skin. I'm not someone who uses like regular lotions that you'll find in like Walmart that are like super cheap. Not to be bougie or anything, but I just don't like lotion for my skin because it doesn't really moisturize or keep my skin hydrated. It's more so like I can put lotion on my skin and it just disappears in 5 seconds, and then my elbows, my knees, and everything is just ashy. So I'm someone who uses oils because once I put oil on my body, I don't have to worry about being ashy or having ashy feet or whatever. Like, I don't have to worry about none of that. So I just stopped using lotion for my skin because I feel like oil is just a lot better for me. I want to say thank you to I Am Organic for gifting me this item. It is my first time trying it out last month, and it was just a wonderful experience because after I showered and using this, I was just like, look, this is my go-to now. Like, I have to grab more once this oil is finished because I love the smell and I love the way that it makes my skin feels. So this oil alone is awesome. They do have other different scents of oils and other products, so definitely check the link out down below and get your hands on it. Also, it says like all the great ingredients that it has. So it has jojoba oil, sesame oil, it has avocado oil, grapeseed oil, honey, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, vitamin E butter, coconut butter, avocado butter, coffee butter, olive butter, hemp butter. So when anyone asks me like, oh my gosh, why is your skin so soft? And I'm like, girl, I am organic, okay? So today I'm actually not wearing any foundation or anything on my face, the foundation area. I did do my brows and I did do my eyelashes or whatever, but that's it. And I put some lip gloss on. The next products are makeup, and I have Fenty Beauty on my lips right now. It's probably faded out, or you know, because you know, I probably have to reapply, but I really love this right now, okay? Not because it's Rihanna and it's Fenty Beauty. I love this because I was always someone who loves lip gloss. And I found that even though I love lip gloss so much, I don't have a lot of lip gloss to begin with right now. Like back in the day, I used to really love Victoria's Secret's lip gloss because I really liked how it made my lips look. It was just nice and juicy. But I never really found anything like that anymore that I can just put on my lips and just get out the door. So this Fenty Beauty lip gloss, especially this one and the other one that I do have, this is the new one that recently came out. So this is a Diamond Milk Glass Bomb, and I have a favorite combination color that I use. So I like to use my Teddy by NYX, and I like to use this on top of it. Man, that's a bomb mix for this fall. Bomb mix, okay? Especially if you are someone who wants more lip gloss. It's some people are like, I don't really like it because it's sparkly and it doesn't do anything for me. Some people think that it looks too white on their lip. I personally think like this gloss is great for putting it on top of something. So if you want to put it on top of something, then it will be perfect to do because it gives that nice shimmer. But you know, some people just want to, you know, put the gloss on and go out the door. I mean, it might work for some, it might work for, you know, might not work for some. So the next product is actually a sponge, okay? This is not the Beauty Blender. This is actually a sponge from Amazon that I actually seen this sponge being used by Alyssa Ashley, and she said it was a great sponge and how she loved it. It came into a pack, and this is just one of them. This is the only clean one, but they came into a pack of, I think, 5 or 4 or 5, maybe 6. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna leave a link down below. These sponges are really great for those who, you know, don't want to spend a lot of money on sponges, especially a Beauty Blender. For one, it's $20. So these sponges are really great. It blends flawlessly, and I just love the way it makes my makeup look. So definitely when you use these sponges, you want to damp them. So you want to make sure they're nice and damp, and they will expand and make your makeup look like skin. So I really love those sponges. Like I said, they are from Amazon and they're really affordable, so you don't have to break your pocket just to get some sponges that will make your makeup flawless. The final product that we're going to talk about is the Inglot gel eyeliner. So I actually used this on my previous Get Ready With Me video, and I love this thing because it is so dark and it's so nice and just moussey, almost like it's just really like the texture of it, like the way that it applies is so like, what is the word? Like it's just smooth, and it just goes on and glides on really nice, and the pigment of it is nice and vibrant and dark and black. Yeah, I'm probably the worst person to explain when it comes to certain things. Like it's hard for me to explain the greatness of it because it's just so like ooh. But yeah, like this eyeliner is really long lasting. It is water resistant, I believe, and it does not smudge. It does not, you know, like it stays in place. Once it's dried down, it stays in place and you're good to go. One thing about this gel eyeliner is that you do have to have a sort of a small brush to apply. So you need a gel liner brush, like a really detailed brush, so that you can apply your wing liner or your eyeliner on your eyes. Because if you use something else that's much bigger or, you know, bulky or too harsh, then you won't really get a precise look. It wouldn't be as sharp, and you know, you just have to have a detailed brush for that. So I'll leave all the links to this product in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and grateful day. I'll see you in my next video. Again, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe by hitting that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up because you're awesome. I just spit on my lip. But yeah, I will see you in my next one. Always remember, be spiffy and be you.
Fight for your love, come be a part of me now. I would never tear you down.